Example 10 says if you make $15.30 per hour, you work 8 hours a day for 4 days a week, how much would you earn that month? Assuming that 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. So the overall question is how much would you earn that month? So 1 month is going to earn us a certain amount of money that we don't know for sure. Looking at the other relationships they give us that we make $15.30 for 1 hour. We work 8 hours in 1 day. We work for 4 days in every week. And we know that 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. Now looking at these, we can't really use these as is. I mean, this first one seems okay, but we have 8 hours as 1 day. Well, really there's 24 hours in a day, right? So we need to adjust some of these so it works a little better, so we know exactly what we're talking about. So this $15.30 per hour, it's not for every hour of every day. This is only the hours I work. Now again, we are only working 8 hours in 1 day. I'm actually going to set this 1 work day because we don't work every day of the week either. So we have 4 work days for every regular week. And lastly, we know that 1 regular month is going to equal 4 regular weeks. Okay, so this is the month that's going to compare with this. So I only want to know the amount that I'm going to work, or the amount I'm going to get for what I worked during that month. Okay, so looking again, we don't have any direct line between, we don't have a direct comparison between dollars and months. So we're going to have at least, well, we're going to actually have several intermediaries. So I can't go from month to dollar, but I can go from, you can work backwards or forwards, and which letter you give doesn't really matter. I'm just going to give it more, I guess, logical letter instead of just going to X, Y, Z. So I do know that I can convert months to weeks. So I can say that 1 month is equal to some unknown number of weeks. Now we still don't have a week to dollar, but I do have a week to work day. So I can figure out how many work days are in that month. So again, we don't have a day to dollars, but I do have a work day to work hours. So I'm going to add 1 more in here. Work hours, sorry, is dollar amount. But I do have a relationship between work hours and dollars. So this is the path I'm going to take to get from 1 month to my unknown number of dollars. Now I am given that 1 month is equal to 4 weeks, so I already know what this W is without doing any calculations. So 1 month is equal to 4 weeks, so now I need to convert that into work days. So I am going to make my fraction. So I have my D days over my 4 weeks. So that is going to be compared. So I have my work days. I know that 4 work days is equal to 1 regular week. So getting rid of this denominator means I'm going to multiply both sides by 4 weeks. So I know that my 4 weeks here are going to cancel out. My weeks here cancel with this week. And I'm left with D work days is equal to 4 times 4 work days, which is 16 work days. So 4 weeks is going to be equal to 16 work days. So now I can change the work days into work hours. So I know the H work hours, correction. Oh, not 8H, sorry. The unknown number of work hours per 16 work days. And compare that to my 8 work hours in 1 work day. Multiply both sides by 16 work days. So as before, my 16 work days are going to cancel out, and then just my work day is going to cancel out here. I'm left with H work hour is going to equal to 8 times 16 work hours. So 8 times 16 is going to be 96. No, 98. Not at all, 128, sorry. 128 work hours. So I can change my 8 here to a 128. And now I just have one more conversion. So I can say my X number of dollars for 128 work hours is going to equal $15.30 for 1 work hour. Multiplying both sides by 128 work hours. Since I'm running out of room, I can tell you that my 128 will cancel. My work hour here will cancel, work hour here. So my X number of dollars will be my 1530 times 128, and that is going to equal $1,958.40. So for that 1 hour of work, I will get paid $1,958.40.